In the wake of the tumultuous era of the Cold War, a beacon of hope emerged from the darkness of political oppression. This beacon was none other than Amnesty International, a human rights organization that would forever change the course of history. Born from the ashes of the World War II, Peter Benenson, a British lawyer, was deeply disturbed by the horrific accounts of political prisoners in Portugal. He was compelled to act, to make a difference, and to bring the plight of these unheard voices to the world. In 1961, Benenson penned an article in The Observer, a British newspaper, entitled The Forgotten Prisoners, detailing the stories of those who were suffering for their beliefs. He called upon his readers to join him in a campaign to demand the release of these political prisoners. The response was overwhelming. Thousands of letters poured in, expressing solidarity and a shared desire to make a difference. From this grassroots movement, Amnesty International was formally established on May 28, 1961. The organization's mission was clear: to campaign for the release of prisoners of conscience, those imprisoned for their beliefs and political activities, and to prevent future abuses. Amnesty International was unlike any other organization before it, focusing solely on human rights, a cause that had long been overlooked in the political sphere. The first campaigns were focused on Portugal, with a particular focus on the case of Francisco Inocêncio da Silva, a Portuguese schoolteacher who was imprisoned for expressing his political views. Amnesty International's efforts paid off, and da Silva was released in 1963, marking a significant victory for the organization. As Amnesty International grew, so did its influence. The organization began to take on cases from all over the world, from South America to Africa, from Asia to Europe. It became a powerful voice for the voiceless, a guardian for the oppressed, and a constant thorn in the side of those who abused human rights. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, Amnesty International persevered. Its unwavering commitment to human rights has seen it win the Nobel Peace Prize in 1977, a testament to its global impact. Today, Amnesty International stands as a testament to the power of one man's vision and the collective power of humanity's compassion. Its legacy continues, as it continues to fight for a world where every individual is treated with the dignity and respect they deserve. And so, the story of Amnesty International is not just a tale of the past, but a reminder of the power we all hold to make a difference, to stand up for what is right, and to demand justice for all.